That's awesome. Here's the Embassy Suites in Chicago MagMile. And that one's probably going to go back down again. There goes the counterweight. Two chimes for up. The door close button's a little smashed in. Going up.
Thank you.
What floor? 12? It's just for a project.
Okay.
Alright. Yeah. That lady was acting all sussed out for no reason. You've never seen a camera before? All right. Now here's the good view. All right, back up. How's it going? Made it just in time.
Yeah. There.
Have a good one.
Dude.
Thank you. And we'll see the certificate. These go 700 feet per minute, 3,500 pounds. There goes the other one. Look, you can see the motor up there. All right, take another ride. Screw it. Watch out here. Stopping. Oh no, maybe that was the other one. Watch the other shaft. See a good view where it won't be blocked. Oh, that's a good view. There's the counterweight. Look, and there's the braking mechanism for the counterweight, because there's floors below the elevator shaft. The door close button still works despite being smashed. There the counterweight goes, and we're gonna follow it. And there it stops. And look, you can see the ropes for the comm sheaves. I'm just filming.
Oh, you're good.
Have a good one.
Hey, you too.
Thanks. and back down to the sky lobby. Oh, hello, Evan.
Hello. That lantern just won't go out. It goes
Weird.
all the way in the long and it's still
And it's
lit.
still lights. That's strange. God, I love these elevators. Here, I'm gonna get a picture quick. Awesome. All right. I'll step out here.
700 feet a minute. Those aren't even nominal floors.
Oh yeah, they're insane. And I'm gonna show the big lanterns too. Oh look, we can watch them moving. Let's see here. I'm gonna watch that one take off. And take off is what they do. And that is what the lantern looks like. And that's all.